Hi, this is Adam Greenman from Greenman Garden Tools, and this is our hoe range. There's probably some cheesy joke in there about ho ho ho, Merry Christmas and all that jazz, but I'll try and avoid those as best as possible. So the main three hoes that we do is a draw hoe, a Dutch hoe and a wiggle or oscillating hoe. The draw hoe is the one that I will probably use for earthing up potatoes and things like that. It's used in a drawing motion towards you, as the name would suggest. It's also really handy if you turn it on its edge and use this part of the blade. Again, in the dragging motion, you get really nice straight seed drills, and then you can go over the top with the flat part of the blade, just dragging it towards you, and it infills those seed drills. The most common is probably going to be the Dutch hoe, this one here. It has a sharpened blade at the front, which is used in a stabbing motion, and that literally nicks the top of the weed from the root just below the soil surface, using this, as I say, the sharpened blade here. Then we come to the wiggle hoe, oscillating hoe. As you can see, this one is probably the most used one I have. It's a great tool. It's one I recently discovered, I say recently, in the last couple of years, and I haven't really touched the other two since. It works in a push and pull motion. The blade at the front rocks backwards and forwards, so it nicks the weeds on both the push stroke as well as the pull stroke. Again, like the draw hoe, just below the surface. It's self-sharpening, being carbon steel, so you don't have to worry about filing it or anything like that. So the more you use it, the wigglier it also gets and the sharper it gets. As I'm a testament to a cut I gave myself only recently. So all in all, a fantastic tool if you're looking for something to cause less root disturbance around already established plants in the vegetable pot, or again, great in borders where you can reach in amongst the shrubs. So there we go.